Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn German with Gigi. Today we are going to talk about family. When you introduce yourself, it is always a good idea not only to say your name and where you come from, but also to tell a little bit more about yourself. For example, you can mention siblings or children or whatever you feel suitable. In this video, you will learn how to mention your family while introducing yourself. Here we go. First of all, I would like to give you an overview about the different German terms. Let's start with yourself. Ich. Ich. Ich simply means I. You already know ich from ich heiße. Ich heiße. Now let's talk about the other people of the family. If you wanted to mention your sister, you would need the German word Schwester. Schwester. The article for Schwester is die. Die Schwester. Note that SCH is pronounced sh. Schwester. ER at the end is pronounced Schwester. You don't say Schwester, you say Schwester. In German, it is very important to know the articles. That's why I will always give you the articles with the nouns. Die Schwester. Let's look at the next word. Brother. Brother means Bruder in German. It also starts with the BR, just like in English. Brr, Bruder. Article for Bruder is der. Der Bruder. Very good. You're almost done. Only 2 more vocabularies to go. The next vocabulary is mother. In German, you would say Mutter. Mutter. Die Mutter. Here again, the pronunciation is Mutter. Not Mutter, but Mutter. Just like Bruder or Schwester. Mutter. Die Mutter. This is the last vocabulary for today. Father. Father is called Vater in German. Vater. It is written with a V and the V is pronounced like an F. Vater. Der Vater. Okay, now you've learned all the vocabularies. Die Mutter, der Vater, der Bruder, die Schwester. Maybe you already noticed it. The 2 women of the family have the article die. Die is the female article in German. That's why we use the female article for the 2 women of the family. Die Mutter, die Schwester. The men of the family have the article der. Der is the male article in German. That's why we use der for the men of the family. Der Vater, der Bruder. We will learn a little more about articles in another lesson. Let's focus on these 2 for now, der and die. Are you still there? Great! You've done an excellent job. Don't forget to practice, 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 and practice. It's very important. Also, it would make me very happy if you would leave me a comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Tschüss!